This is what you do, you hail a friend, you go so, yeah, neutral handshake. Neutral handshake from far, you know. You go like this. Guys, today we are gonna take on a new challenge today. You know, Chase's birthday is coming up right now, but we are going to take this to the test right now, guys. We are going to see if we can take some pictures with Chase.
Yes, he needs to get his passport pictures done, even though all this craziness is going on in the world. We still have to get his passport, and we've been putting it off for a long time now, so we're gonna take some pictures of him so he can go and do it when Monday. Yeah. I don't know. But we'll have to get everything ready so that once we go we'll have everything done. And
if you guys know, if you had a baby before and or if you're currently having a baby right now, I think it's very difficult to take pictures with a baby.
Yes.
And we are going to find out that whole process right now. We are actually going to Walgreens.
Yeah.
And we are going to go take some pictures without needing the passport pictures.
My what you call it, wet ones, so I can wipe down the air.
Yeah, we're gonna wipe down the air right now. Make sure you smash the like button on this video right now. Smash the like button, subscribe to be a part of the family, guys. Hashtag notification Chase right now, because this is gonna be a very difficult video, you know what I mean?
Hopefully, because we thought that Santa Claus was gonna be difficult and it wasn't. So.
And it was smooth. I wish we could just go back in time and take some passport pictures like that, you know, because it was so easy.
You want to take passport pictures with Santa Claus?
Alright guys, comment down below what you think is gonna happen right now. Comment down below right now, guys. We are going into picture mode, okay? Smash the like button right now. Alright, let's get started. Chase, tell him bye. Tell him bye. Guys, Chase destroyed that, like literally destroyed it.
He didn't look in the camera though.
Yeah, he never look in that camera, but him destroyed, guys. Him really destroyed.
He was quiet.
Yeah.
I was trying to hold him up, but he's too heavy.
As you guys saw in the video a while ago, guys,
he's too heavy.
He did a good job. Chase, say hi. God. Guys, he's playing with money right now. Dirty. Right now, you can't really touch nothing. You like, if you touch this, you feel like you catch germs.
I used hand sanitizer 2 times, and then when we were walking out, somebody sneezed, and I said, "Okay, time to go home."
Yeah, because we were gonna go get some toilet paper, but, you know, because you know, like everything now, we have to get the supplies and stuff.
We're trying to get a little bit of supplies every time we go on the road.
Yeah. Because you just don't know when the supplies are going to run out, because you guys know we're not even going to say it, what it is, you know.
And people are going
crazy. Like, it's crazy. Like, me see videos of Jamaica, and that thing is crazy. Now they have 2 cases.
I feel it for them though, because I feel like, I don't know if the government can contain it, if it really is like a
spreading
big thing down there.
It's crazy, because that's I don't know, you don't know if the Ministry of Health can like contain that
they're
stuff.
Ready for it. That's what because eventually they will get there, but like, are they ready for it right now?
Right?
Chase said he don't know.
Right now in Florida we have about 21 cases right now, and 2 people passed away. Yeah, like, it's crazy.
I think it's 17 cases,
and there's 355 people are being tested right now, that they are trying to see if they are positive or not positive, because that is like pending cases, and you don't even know. Imagine 300 people,
and you don't know the people, like the people that he came in contact with, or she came in. It's just crazy, because you just don't know.
It's crazy. Like, literally, we're thinking about it, makes me get fear. Like, we just want to go home and stay inside and not come back out.
And I feel bad for people that actually really just like sneeze naturally, because I'm sorry, like I just heard a sneeze a while ago, and I'm like, all right,
paranoid. Yeah, you get so paranoid, like you don't even want to touch a door anymore. Like, this is how paranoid everybody's gotten because of this thing. This thing is like legit. So if you guys don't take it serious, and you need to take it serious, because this is something that can be very
wash those hands.
Yeah, like wash your hand them like 300 times. Wash your hand and scrub your face. Wash your hand, scrub your face. Wash your hand, scrub your face.
You go somewhere and you're not thinking about it, and you realize like you touch your face like 500 times already.
Yeah, guys, comment down below right now. how do you greet your friends right now? Comment down below. Comment down below. We are going to do, when we go home, we are going to do some ways you can greet your friends. You know, really have to hug them no more because you don't know if them have germs and them thing there. We're going to show you. If maybe Andrew's there, we can show you with Daniel so we can see what's going to go down. Right, Chase? Right, Chase? Chase, tell him hi.
I said hi. He's too busy. He hasn't been.
Hi. Hi. All right, guys. We are gonna go get something sweet for the kids. I need us a coffee, guys. Honestly, you know when you drink the coffee at the house, it's so much like.
No, we drink the coffee at the house every morning.
Yeah.
But like in the afternoon, you're like you need a coffee, but not the home coffee. You need a out there coffee.
Out there coffee. But you know what's crazy is like imagine if they have it, you know.
Oh my God.
And they're spreading it. So you know,
just stay home if you're sick, guys.
Okay, yeah, stay home and don't touch anybody.
And don't touch anything.
Don't come out of your room. Quarantine yourself.
Quarantine yourself.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go right now. Okay. Guys, we just reached home and look here. Daniel bought this.
Oh my God. Andrew cannot look because I know he's looking over here.
Yeah, I know he's looking over here. Guys, look at him. Look at him. Okay. Yeah, no, you not touch nothing, you know, buy.
Got this coconut smoothie.
Yeah.
Buy me none.
What is this?
Cappuccino right here. By the way, I have a bone to pick with this brother. I bought a coffee for everybody in this house yesterday, and he did not drink it, guys. Say shame on you, Drew.
Look.
Put shame on you, Drew.
Hey guys, I forgot about the coffee.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Shame, what a disgrace.
It was not no cheap coffee too. It was Dunkin' Donuts dollar coffee. The coffee was for $1, bro. You waste my $1, dog. Actually, Daniel drank that in the morning.
I did.
Yeah, she
Not
did.
all of it, though.
Yeah, she drank it. She drank it all off. All right. So what we are going to do right now is consume some food that Daniel cooked. She actually made some lovely dinner today. What she made was very spectacular. I'm gonna show you a little of it, okay? Guys, I apologize for the mess right now. I really apologize. What happened was I saw the food and it smelled so good and I started to consume it. Oh my God, if I ever tell you how this tastes right now, it is for die for right now, man. I tell you this wickedly. I apologize, babe, for the presentation because it's my fault, okay? Yo, the way out is nice right now, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Now go open a restaurant and call it Subbies Can Cook.
No, yeah, Subbies?
Yeah.
Us? Together?
We are shot.
Daniel Andrews, tell them that name than you. Go ahead.
Haters will hate. We all just what? Yo, but man, I like hashtag Daniel Can Cook right now.
Look at my lovely table, everybody. Look at this boy coming out of my table.
What are you doing? Guys, just to let you guys know, I handmade this from scratch.
Oh, sure. Do you see this missing piece?
This
It's right here.
Yeah, we had technical difficulties. We couldn't get it in there, so we just said, you know what?
We?
Yeah, we're gonna leave it like that.
We?
Yeah, we.
Or
we
Andrew.
can do whatever we want. But yeah, so you know, we put this up together like this, just like this, boom boom, and it was like a 1-2 project.
Oh, you put it together.
Yeah, the person that really put up the thing, guys, was me.
Okay, sure.
That wasn't convincing at all. Drew put it up. Yo, shout out to Drew. Drew's not here right now. I went to public.
So this is gonna be my little beauty station. I'm in Chase's closet.
Make sure you go subscribe to Daniel's channel because you know if you're not subscribed to Daniel's channel, you know I say nothing.
So I'm like sharing Chase's room, but we're gonna rearrange this whole room. So
as you can see, we're gonna take this out, guys.
Yeah.
This is gonna go.
And these are all the toys that Chase doesn't play with.
Yeah.
We're gonna give these things away.
Huh?
We're gonna give them away.
You're leaving the house before that happens, okay? So guys, what we are going to do now is demonstrate the clean habits of, you know, healing up your friend nowadays. Because you know you can't handshake like this. Yeah. No, you have germs, dog. You don't touch me hand, brother. Don't touch me hand, we just have to do like demonstration. Yeah, alright, yeah. Right? That is one right there, right guys? No. Look. Yeah, that is one, right? A lot of people going to do this. But the germ them there by your knuckle, brother. That don't make no sense, brother. See the next one here? There goes a elbow. That's another bad one too, cause germs are all over your hand them, right?
I'm kind of confused, people.
So how do you heal a friend?
At work?
Yeah.
Anywhere.
Like you at work now, since anywhere this
At work, we're serious into this.
Yeah.
I would go on step.
That's how we help people at work.
So you carry the germs in your house.
I said walk with it
So
on your
basically,
foot.
all you feel a friend, like I said before, people, this is all you do. You hail a friend, you go so, yeah, neutral handshake. Neutral handshake from far, you know. You go like this.
You an idiot.
Big old one thing. Look again. It's pretty easy.
This is return.
Pretty easy. No, brother. Stay a little further than that. Yeah. Shake out like that shit. Yeah. See that?
Yo, this is idiot. He's an idiot.
People, help me.
Yo,
So-
on the top of the night, people help me. May I beg you. Put some sense into this, man. People out there, just wash your hand now. Little soap and water, you know.
No, you need to wash your hand frequently. No
Yeah.
is the time where
You know, should walk with a bar of soap in your pocket. You know.
Yeah, your own soap. Carry your own soap. Guys, we are tired right now.
I'm so tired.
You know, I have the itis with that food right now. I'm consuming too
I know,
much.
and I go had the dessert, so
Yeah,
it was like.
and Daniel eat more than me.
Oh, whatever.
Nothing's wrong with that because
I'm
she's breastfeeding. She's breastfeeding.
That's
now,
my
like,
excuse.
That's her excuse.
Even when I'm not breastfeeding, I'm gonna say I'm breastfeeding.
Yeah.
Chase wants to see his pictures.
Guys, let's show you his pictures real quick here.
He wasn't looking. That's you. That's
Yeah.
Chase.
I think passport pictures is one of the worst things for babies. Like,
Yeah, because he wasn't looking at the camera fully, so he's kind of like looking away.
Sideways.
It's the best one that we had out of all.
yeah, and yeah, he took what, like 2 minutes, and it was done within 2 minutes. It was hard for Daniel because she was so close to him, and then I had
he's
to
so
take over.
heavy, so it's hard to like hold him up because
Yeah.
he's fluffy. So he's like.
Yeah, and it was fun though, cause he did it quick. To me, I think he did it quick for
I
a baby.
expected to be there longer.
Yeah, and it was fun. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed it, and what was funny was like him trying to focus, and then there was this lady, this Spanish lady that was behind. She was because I guess she has kids. She had 2 kids there taking
she
passport
knows the
pictures.
struggle.
She know the struggle is real, so she was actually trying to help
look
him.
at her, but
She was really helpful.
he was all
yeah.
over the place
Yeah.
looking.
And it was so funny, guys. I really enjoyed it.
So that part is out the way. We got the pictures. Now we just need to go get the passport.
Yeah,
and
and,
then he's global.
Yeah. So guys, we want to really touch on the subject. We're not going to call it what it is, but you know, that subject, you know, yeah, you guys have to be careful. Wash your hands constantly. Wash your hands. Make sure nothing go in your face. Make sure you don't touch like a door and you go put in your
it's
eye.
hard to like because you touch your face
Yeah.
throughout the day so much times.
And you don't even realizing, like,
yeah.
it's so crazy. Like, you don't even realize that you touch your face a couple
No.
times because it's so automatic. You just rub your face.
Sometimes you remember after you touch your face.
Yeah, and then you're like, uh-oh. And then no, everybody's scared because, you know, it is a real thing and it's
because
very
you don't.
scary.
Some people don't even show symptoms
Yeah.
and they have it. So it's like you just have to be like aware in your surroundings and don't go to places that have too many people.
When you see crowd, try to avoid it.
Yeah.
Like if we are going movies, the best way we are going movies right now.
Drive
through. We're not with people not gonna sue him. We're just going to the drive through and we just bring our popcorn and we bring our own soda and we just eat and watch the movie in there.
That sounds good to me.
Yeah, and yeah, that's what basically we're gonna do.
So we're gonna link some supplies that you probably should prepare with.
Yeah.
Just keep them in case.
It's like a checklist we're giving you guys. So
but I mean, they said that just prepare in case of anything. It doesn't mean you need to go buy 10 cases of water.
yeah. We're sorry for the sound effects, by the way.
It doesn't mean you have to like overload. Like leave some for other people.
Do it again. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again. I love you. I love you. Guys, he's not tired and it's late.
I think he's tired, but he's
He's complaining. Guys, make sure you check the link down below, guys, so you can have an idea what you need. It's not everything that you need.
No.
It's just like a couple things and an idea. Because
just in case
that's the stuff that we have here, and with some stuff that we need to get.
Yeah,
because there's a lot of stuff there that we need to
like
get.
diapers.
Yeah.
They said that you
Should stack up on diapers because you don't know when they're gonna. Because eventually, if things get worse, they'll shut down the country. Like, if you know what I mean.
I don't think it's gonna get that bad, but
Yeah.
I feel like places.
Well, not country, but like the county or whatever. Like, it depends. It all depends. Because schools look like they're about to close.
Yeah, that's what will happen. Like little stores will close to protect their employees.
Yeah.
So that you should just have the supplies that you need. So in case you can't leave or you can't go to the store, that you have them at home.
So yeah, just make sure you get those stuff, guys, down below right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button right now, guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. Just let you guys know in the next video, well, not the next video, in the video after that, you see Baby Chase's birthday. Yeah, Baby Chase's birthday. Yeah, we're gonna see Baby Chase's birthday. Alright guys, we love you guys, and we are going to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Amanda made you look.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. Second notification shout out goes to
Tessa MWT.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right. Third and final notification shout out goes to
Shirley Stackson. I can't even say your name or see you because Chase is blocking
Chase is blocking
me.
you. And yeah, you're gonna go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. We'll see you guys another time. It's another time. The same place, same bad channel. And you know, big up your damn self. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye. Hey boy, say bye now. You're not telling people them bye. Tell them bye. Okay. Alright. I guess you said bye. In some way. Okay guys, we'll see you guys. Bye.